Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Yuja application for your computer. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up a Canvas course. The Yuja link should be in the navigation menu by default, but if it's not showing, you can always click on Settings, go to Navigation, and find Yuja from the bottom list and drag it up. Make sure you save, and it will appear on your navigation menu. So mine's already there, so I'm not going to add it. Here is the Yuja link. I'm going to click it from the menu. And it's brought up my Yuja application folder. So these are all the videos that I've already posted. Some of them are a little bit goofy. Gonna have to deal with that. I am going to click on Create Recording. So that will bring me up this little window. It says, okay, do you want to start? But wait, is this your first time? I need you to download and install. So go ahead and choose Download. It's going to bring up your computer and ask you to save. So I'm going to save that software. So you can tell in the bottom of my screen that the software is installing. So it's running right here. We'll just give it a minute to download. All right, it looks like my software has finished installing because the little blue circle has finished, and now it's kind of said like, hey, I'm ready. So I can click on this button to bring up the installer. Let's give it a second. Hopefully this is recording, but it's asking if I want to install. I say yes, I do want to install this computer software that I downloaded from the internet because I know what it is, because I got it from this site that I know is reputable. So I'm going to let it install for a moment. It's going to set up all its little capture stuff and authenticate our computer, and then it's going to bring up the capture software tool, the software application. So right now, we can go over the application later on, but just so you know that it's here, it installs on my desktop, it's down now on my navigation menu, puts an app on my desktop. So there are lots of places now that I can access this capture software, which allows me to make videos for Yuja.